History empowers us to assert and preserve our humanity. History provides us with documented records of our contributions, culture, science, math, law, music, or what have you. History provides evidence and allows us to challenge and to hold accountable for institutions, including banks, insurance companies, and yes, some of our top universities who benefited from the slave labor of our ancestors. It gives evidence and a record. And perhaps most importantly, history provides us with blueprints, templates, specific methods and systems and tactics and strategies that people used to survive recessions, depressions, and transgressions in this country, and to empower and sustain ourselves way before food stamps, government grants, scholarships, bank loans, Wi-Fi, ChatGPT, and artificial intelligence.